Good, so welcome back to the channel once again. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can scan your file for a virus, and also how you can scan a website address for a virus. So if you have a file on your PC and you want to check if the file is a virus or not, then you have to watch this video to the end, that I show you step by step way to check for a virus on a file. And also, when you are visiting a website and you want to check and really know if the website is not a virus or not, then you have to watch this video, especially the link that they have been sharing on Telegram to visit a website for laptop and all that. You have to use this website to check for the virus within those sites before you visit them. So with that, let's go to my screen right now, and I show you step by step way to check virus on your file or on a website address. Let's go. Screen here that I show you how you can scan your file or a website address for a virus. So to do that, just go to a website called virustotal.com. Okay, so you type in this word, check the spelling very well, and hit enter for this to load the website for you. So it will take you to a website like this. So to quickly scan for a file, just make sure you tap on the file here, and to quickly check for URL or website, you quickly click on the URL here and enter the website address in this box. Okay, so let's do with the file first. So you click on the file here, and then you minimize and click and drag to this place, or you can choose the file. Okay, that is very simple. You can choose the file. So click on choose file, and it will load you to your PC to pick the file that you want to scan. So I'll just go through my files here and pick the file that I want to scan. So I'll just pick this file and open it like this. So let's wait as this load it for us. So let's wait and see how this will scan the file for us. Okay, good. So this has scanned this file for us. Okay, so it has flagged 9 things as virus in this file. Okay, so I found this file on a Telegram group that is trading view. Okay, that everybody is claiming it's a premium plan. Some say it's a lie, it's a virus. So I decided to check with this website and see that it's really a virus. It's never true. And I tried installing the app, but it didn't work. So this shows to you that this website is working, and it has flagged 9 of the things in this file as virus. You can see them here. This Trojan has been flagged. This Trojan 2 here has been flagged, and then generic ML PUA also has been flagged. So you can check on them here. So that is for how to scan a file for a virus. So any file on your phone or PC that you want to check if it's a virus, you can quickly come to virustotal.com and check for that. So let's go and check how you can check it for a URL. Okay, so let's quickly go back to home and check this again for a website. Okay, so to check for a website address, you just have to click on URL here, and then you enter the website address, or you copy the website address and paste it here. So I have a blog post, so I'm going to enter my blog post website address here, which is vibenews.com. So I'm going to check if this is having a virus. So I'll hit enter and wait for this software to check for a virus on this website for me. Okay, so let's check. Let's wait. So if you are first time watching video on the channel, please do well and subscribe, because I do the research and do everything for you. Either you ask me or you didn't ask. Okay, so if you need any help too, you can comment below. I'll do well and do video on it for you. So click on the subscribe button right now and subscribe. Okay, so this has scanned the website files, but no virus has been found. Okay, no security vendor flag this URL as malicious. So everything is clean on this website. Okay, I developed this website myself. If you want to know how you can develop a website and put a domain on it, you can comment below. I'll do a video on it for you. Okay, so you can see this is clear. So this is how you scan for a virus on any website address or any website you visit and you want to know if it's having a virus or not. Okay, just quickly come here and check for that. So before you go, as I remember you once again, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to receive more video from me. Goodbye and stay tuned to my channel.